A technique that I love to use when I'm doing environment design is to make use of this fake perspective point of view, which looks more like a lateral orthographic view or similar to when you use a long telescopic lens on a camera and make the observation process easier. This helps me to keep focused mostly on my ideas instead of being too worried about the perfect perspective of everything that we are drawing. So, in order to create this kind of sketches, we're gonna use this other drawing that I have as an example. So basically, we just need to only focus on two sides of the object that we are drawing. One side representing a frontal view and the other side representing a lateral view. And the idea is to layer all these elements into an interesting silhouette that is also easy to draw, since we don't need to get worried that much about the perspective of these elements. So this is a quick demo that I recorded showing how I approach these sketches. As you can see, I start working with a preferred side first, and then I work a little bit more in the other side of the building, focusing on defining the overall shape first. Since the perspective is flat, I can use this trick of repeating some elements without being too afraid of making a mistake. This helps me to be more creative and have more fun creating the idea. By this point, it's only a matter of finding ways to break the silhouette to make the design more interesting, and check my reference to see if there's any cool detail that I can add. So here's one more demo applying this technique to a different type of architecture, demonstrating that we can use it to any object that we want to do. As you can see, the process is always the same, using repetition of elements and also creating a good silhouette. I do really enjoy using this process for the creation of unique assets for my environment design work. It's also a fun way to practice, since we can easily study and learn different architectonic styles in a short period of time. By adding colors, we can specify which side is facing forward and which side is a lateral view. If we pay attention to the house on the left, we can see that the blue side appears to be facing forward, but this is a little trick just to create the idea that this house is tilted, and not everything is perfect and plain. So to finish this lesson, here's an example on how I use this technique for a personal painting. This image was created using the sketch that I showed at the beginning of the video, and the only thing that I did was to add some elements using real perspective to give more dynamism and depth to the painting. So I hope you find this lesson useful, and if there's something that you want to learn about illustration, concept art, or any art subject in general, just let me know in the comments. Also, please consider to like and subscribe so I can reach the goal of 1,000 followers here on YouTube.